Here's a look at this air duster fan, just arrived. Comes in this little package right here. Got this tape on it that I gotta get open so we can get into the package right here. Almost got it. There we go. Now we're in. We're in. All right. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that it came with a really nice storage case. It's not completely hard, but it's definitely a hard-ish outer shell. That zipper's smooth. That's nice. And here's a look at everything inside of it. So you got the fan right here with a little lens right here, magnification lens. Really cool. Then you've got some cleaning brushes right here. Little instruction manual, lanyard if you want to attach that. And then these are going to be your different nozzles to attach. Nice matching silver color right there. You got your longer nozzle there. This is going to be your more pointed nozzle. And then this one has a little, oh, that's actually really nice. I'm going to use that one a lot. Little brush nozzle. So there's everything you get in this turbofan case. Looks awesome.